Hello and good morning, everyone. Something extremely common in these times is to send surveys to either our customers or people that we collaborate or apply a quiz online, especially right now in these times. A lot of people rely on third-party tools to send those type of surveys or quizzes. And what happens is that not many people realize that whenever they have a Microsoft 365 or Office 365 account, they don't have to pay for an extra service or they don't have to go through a third party to apply those type of quizzes. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to create a simple quiz or a simple survey that can be sent without any additional cost using Microsoft Forms. So what you do first is you log into your Microsoft portal. In the Microsoft portal, you're going to have something called Forms. Whenever you click on it, then all you have to do is just create a new form or create a new quiz. So when you're creating a new form, it's going to be it's going to give you a couple options. First is just a simple question with an answer, yes or no, or any type of answers, and you can set up which answer is correct. So for example, in this case, we're going to create a question with a choice. So when you do in here, what you do in here is just ask your question. You set up a potential answer and answer two. You can allow to have multiple answers and you can make them required or not required. So in these fields, whenever you're asking and you want to get somebody's name, for example, you can ask for name here and make it required. As well, if you're going to add a date or something, you can do that. Once you create this survey and start sharing the survey, either through email or posting it on a website, you can monitor in here how many people has responded to each of your surveys. In addition, when you're creating a quiz, the main difference is basically that you have an option to set or mark an answer as right or correct and on another one as incorrect. I mean, the ones that are not marked as correct, if it's not a multiple answer, are going to be automatically wrong. And you can assign an amount of points in here. And at the end, whenever you start reviewing the responses, you're gonna get the points for each person. So once you also finish answering the quiz, you will get an answer, a score. For example, let me share this one. So this is the way that your user, oh, I apologize. This is the way that your user is going to get the answer, the quizzes. Let me share this with everybody with the link. So that way we don't have to authenticate. So this is the incorrect answer. So I mark it, then I see the results, and I get immediate feedback. So if I come here and I see the responses, I realize that one person who has responded responded incorrectly because I'm allowing anonymous people to respond. I'm not having their name. But if you can click here on more details, you can get the name of the people if you are sending it to people only on your organization. And this is the simplest way to create either a quiz or a survey. Let me know if you need any further explanation on how to do it or any potential ideas on how to implement this. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.